Does XMind work offline? If you are looking for a mind mapping tool that can help you manage your study time effectively, you might be wondering about ZEN's offline capabilities. Let's break it down. Yes, XMind does work offline. This means you can use it as a standalone mind mapping tool on your computer without needing an internet connection. To get started, you will need to download and install the desktop version of XMind on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. Once installed, you can create, edit, and save your mind maps entirely offline. This offline functionality is particularly useful for study time management. You can organize your ideas and plans anytime, even if you do not have internet access. Imagine being able to focus on your studies without worrying about slow internet or interruptions. XMind provides a smooth and stable performance, allowing you to concentrate on your work without lag or loading delays. However, it is important to note that some features are only available online. For instance, if you want to use artificial intelligence assistance or real-time collaboration, you will need to access ZEN's web platform. These online features can enhance teamwork and idea generation, but they are not necessary for basic mind mapping and task planning. Using XMind offline offers several benefits for your study sessions. You can manage your study tasks and ideas securely, free from distractions and the need for internet availability. One of the standout features is ZEN Mode, which provides a full-screen distraction-free environment. This allows you to focus deeply on organizing your thoughts. Additionally, XMind helps you create structured outlines and visually connect concepts, which can improve memory and understanding. You can also export your mind maps in various formats, such as portable document format or portable network graphics, for review or sharing without needing to be online. In summary, ZEN's offline functionality supports effective study time management by providing a reliable tool for organizing your thoughts and plans anytime, anywhere. While online features add collaborative options when you have internet access, the offline capabilities ensure you can always stay productive.